Good morning students, welcome to class 7 mathematics. Today we are going to do exercise 5.3 of exponents, chapter 5 exponents, exercise 5.3. We have already completed exercise 5.2. So today we are going to discuss this exercise. First question is simplify and express the result in exponential form. Means we have to simplify this first and express the solution, that is answer, in the exponential form. So look at here. It is minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 8 into minus 2 by 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3. First we open this bracket, square bracket. How we do that? By using the law a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equals to a raised to power mn. This gives minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 2 into 3, that is 6. Since bases are same, we can take the exponents, same base are multiplied, exponents will be added. Minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 8 plus 3 to the 6. We use the law a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. This is the way. So now it gives minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 14. This is the answer because we have to express it in the exponential form. And one more thing, that since the exponents is positive, that is even number, exponents is even, so this negative rational number will become positive. 2 by 3 whole raised to power 14. This is the actual answer. Next, question number, let's do question number 3rd. 4 by 7 raised to power 0 into 4 by 7 whole raised to power 2, and this is the same type of question. You can see what we'll do. We'll write 0, any number to the power 0 is 1, into 4 by 7 raised to the power 2 into 4. The law we use is 2 law here. A is equal to 0 equals to 1, a raised to power 0 equals to 1, and a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m. This two law we are using here. So 1 multiplied any number will give you the number itself. So 4 by 7 raised to the power 4 to the 8. This is the answer. Now let's do 5th question. 17 by 4 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 4 divide 17 by 4 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 4. So here we can do what, that we can open the bracket first. 17 by 4 raised to the power 2 into 4 divide 17 by 4 raised to the power 3 into 4. Law is a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n. Therefore 17 upon 4 raised to the power 4 to the 8 divide 17 upon 4 raised to the power 12. Now since same base are divided, exponents will be subtracted. So we'll write 17 by 4 raised to the power 8 minus 12. Since a raised to power m divide a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n. So in the next page, 17 by 4 raised to power 8 minus 12 it was. This gives you 17 by 4 raised to the power minus 4. We'll have to change it in the positive exponential form, and that we can do by changing the doing the reciprocal of this. So 4 by 17 will give you 4. This is the answer. So the next part I'm going to do is, that is Let's do question number 9. Ninth part. 7 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3 into 1 by 7 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3. Same way we'll do this also. This gives you 7 2 into 3 into 1 by 7 2 into 3. 7 raised to power 6 into 7 raised to power 1 by 7 raised to power 6. So we can take reciprocal of this. 7 raised to power 6 into 7 raised to power minus 6. If we take the reciprocal, it will become negative. Now same base are multiplied, we'll add this. Here we have used the identity since a raised to power minus n is equals to 1 upon a raised to power n. Here a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. 7 raised to power 6 plus minus 1 plus into minus 6 minus, so it is 7 raised to power 0 gives you 1, since a raised to power 0 equals to 1. This is the answer. Next, come to the question 2. We have to evaluate this one. In question 2, we'll start with the second question, second part. Minus 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3 divide minus 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 4. So the first step is open this square bracket, minus 5 raised to the power 2 into 3 divide minus 5 raised to the power 2 into 4. The property we use is a raised to power m into and gives a raised to power mn. So this is, since same base are divided, exponents will be subtracted. 3 to the 6 minus 4 to the 8. You get minus 5 raised to the power minus 2. So you need to convert this minus exponent into positive form. So we can do this by taking reciprocal of this, 1 upon minus 5 raised to the power 2. This is the answer. Next question is third part in the next page. Find the value of first 5 raised to power 8 into 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 5. 5 square into 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 7. What we do? We first look at the base, the same base either multiplied or divided. We will look at this. So since the base here 5 and 5 are same and they are divided, so it will be subtracted. The exponents will be subtracted. Same base are divided, exponents will be subtracted. Okay. Now here we can see that same base are here also divided, so we can subtract the exponents. 4 minus 6, and again here 3 raised to power 5 minus 7, because the base are same. Now we use the property a raised to power m divide a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n. This is the law we have used. It will give you 5 raised to power 6 into 2 raised to power minus 2 into 3 raised to power minus 2. We see here these two are minus exponents, so we'll have to change it in the positive. 5 raised to power 6 upon 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2. Since a raised to power minus n is equals to 1 upon a raised to power n. So 5 raised to power 6 upon, since base are different but exponents are same, so we will take the common. 5 raised to power 6 upon 3 to the 6 raised to power 2. This is the exponential form. So leave it here. This is the answer. Next, since we need to find the value, so we'll have to further do this. How we can do? 5 raised to power 3 to the 6 upon 6 raised to power 2. So we can do 5 raised to power 3 upon 6 whole raised to power 2, taking these exponents common. It will give you 125 by 6 raised to power 2. So this is the answer. Next, look at the question third. This is a little lengthy part. This is a good question. 8 raised to the power 0 into 7 raised to the power 0 into 16 by 7 whole raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 0 upon 4 by 3 raised to the power 0 plus 3 by 4 raised to the power 0. This question seems to be very tough, but actually it is not at all tough, because we know any number to the power 0 is 1. So solution is, we apply, since a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1, this implies 8 raised to the power 0 equals to 1 into 16 by 7 raised to the power 3 into 0, that is 0, upon 1 plus 1. Okay, now this will give you 1 into 1 is 1. 16 by 7 raised to the power 0, that is 1, upon 1 plus 1 is 2. This gives you 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now let's do question number 6 in the next page. Part of question number 3. 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 into 5 by 7 raised to the power 2 again, upon 5 by 7 raised to the power 3 into 4 by 3 raised to the power 2. We see the base, this one are same and this base are same. So what we do, we'll have to change it like this. 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 into 5 by 7 raised to the power 2. This is 5 by 7 raised to the power 3 into, this must be reversed so that the base becomes same. So I will reverse this, taking reciprocal of this, it will become negative power. Now since bases are same, exponents, same bases are divided, exponents will be added. So applying this, we can find 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 minus 2. Okay, into 5 by 7 raised to the power 2 minus 3. Use the law, since a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power n minus n. 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 2 plus 2. 5 by 7 minus 1. It gives you 3 by 4 raised to the power 4 into, if you want to make these exponents positive, you have to take the reciprocal. 7 by 5, 1. So it's simple. 3 raised to the power 4 means 4 times 3, that is 3 3 are 9, another 81 by 16, 16 are 256 into 7 by 5. Multiply it. 7 is 7, 7 is 56, 5 is 30, 5 is 25, and 3, 28, 5 to the 10, 11. This is the answer. Now
I
let's do question number 4. Simplify. Simplify. Minus 8 by 19. 7 divide minus 8 by 19 raised to the power 5. Bracket close into minus 19 by 8 whole raised to the power 2. What we do? Minus 8 by 19. Same base are divided, exponents will be subtracted. So now it gives you minus 8 by 19 raised to the power 2. So in order to make the base same, we'll have to take the reciprocal of this, that is minus 8 by 19 whole raised to the power minus 2. It gives you the same base. Now we have applied the law here. A raised to the power m divide a raised to the power n gives a raised to the power m minus n. So we have to write the law. Here I have taken the reciprocal, so a raised to the power n is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power minus n. Now same base are multiplied, exponents will be added. Minus 8 upon 19, 2 plus minus plus into minus minus 2 gives you minus 8 upon 19. So 0. That is minus 8 upon 19. 0 means it gives you 1. Any number power to the power 0 is 1. This is over for today's class. Rest we'll do in the next class. Thank you, students.